Hi, I'm Shivani. Today I have come out here to a beautiful park for some walking. Lockdowns have been eased in most cities now, and if you have been working out so far at your home, it is time to step out because there's nothing like exercising in the open area. This is a beautiful park in Hyderabad where people normally come for cycling. There you can hire a cycle and take a round for just 50 rupees, and it is around 2.5 kilometers, so that's a lovely workout. If you want to switch to walking as a way of exercising, then stick to brisk walking because that will give you long-term benefits. And I think just being out here in the fresh air is so good, so relaxing and rejuvenating early in the morning, and it is cool also. So it's very important to start early in the morning, get your gear together, be in comfortable exercise clothes and set out for a nice park. Even if you have to drive a little bit, it's worth it. The key to getting a great workout with brisk walking is to maintain a pace that gives your heart and lungs a challenging workout, but not so hard that you run out of steam too quickly. Now, the term brisk walking is somewhat vague. Is it a little faster than your normal pace? Is it a lot faster? To help firm up exactly what it means, there are several ways to measure your pace to make sure you're in the brisk zone. So one way to determine if you're walking fast enough is to measure your heart rate. A safe target heart rate while exercising for most adults is 50 to 85% of your maximum heart rate. Exercising at your target heart rate means you're getting the greatest benefit from your workout. Another way to measure your pace is to count your steps. So if you can walk at least 100 steps per minute, you are walking fast enough to reap substantial fitness benefits. Using a fitness tracker can help you keep track of your steps and how fast you're walking. So benefits of brisk walking are multiple. Regular cardio exercise like brisk walking offers a wide range of physical and mental benefits. Some well-researched benefits include weight loss. Walking can help you lose weight by burning more calories and increasing lean muscle mass and boosting your mood, so you're more likely to keep on walking. Also, it leads to improved cardiovascular health. Walking about 5 days a week can help lower your risk for heart disease. Regular cardio exercise may also help lower the levels of LDL, which is the bad cholesterol in your blood, and also lower your blood pressure. So I'm going to take a breather now. Walking also leads to lower blood sugar levels. This means the cells in your muscles are better able to use insulin to draw in glucose for energy, both before and after you've exercised. Improved mental health has also shown that exercise can boost self-esteem, your peace of mind, your sleep, your behavior with other people. So I think it is a win-win. Let me see if I can still sing. My heartbeat is at a high. I reached an average of 125 beats per minute. And let me see if I can sing a song. इस मोड़ से जाते हैं कुछ सुस्त कदम रस्ते, कुछ तेज कदम राहें. I'd say it should be brisk walking is tez kadam rather than sust kadam. So pick up the pace. Cycling is another wonderful alternative when it comes to working out in the open. Or oh, look at the peacocks. It's gonna rain and you see nature all around you. Peacocks, butterflies, squirrels, little birds. It's just beautiful. I think we need to go back to nature at least once a week, even if we live in high-rise buildings. Just see this beautiful pathway behind me. Greenery, my god. Looking at the green is very good for your eyes. So you should go out in the open and look at the green, because mostly we are glued to our screens and we see very cycling is a faster alternative to walking, because sometimes walking alone can be boring, unless you have music plugged in. But I would suggest don't plug in music in a place like this. Just cycle. You can even cycle alone or cycle with friends, family. I would highly recommend it. I would recommend don't plug in music in such a place. Just soak in the nature, soak in these bird sounds, peacocks calling out to the clouds, to rain. Oh my god, I think I've gone back to my childhood, which was spent mostly in cantonments, and I used to cycle to school almost for 5 to 7 years, and it used to be a natural exercise for us, and at the same time, it used to give a sense of freedom and adventure.
Feeling like a schoolgirl.
Being responsible for your own cycle and going alone, nobody had to accompany you. So I had a fantastic time. I had a fantastic time today at the Palapitta Cycling Park.
Beats per minute.
Made